Hello, it's me, Nia with Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have such a great 2021 trend that I think is here to stay, and that is dried floral. Oh my goodness, I am so addicted to this look. When I was researching on some of the 2021 trends, I came across people saying, oh, this is a dead trend. It's going to end. They're tired of seeing dry floral. And then I saw other people saying this trend will be going on for time to come. So I'm thinking, oh my goodness, I just love this trend. I'm just barely moving into this trend. I'm getting my ladies to want to do this. And I think it's just so amazing. It kind of takes that boho chic and just makes it so feminine, but it also gives it that rough and rustic look that some men like. There are so many great different things you can do. You can do a lot of taupes, which are going to be in next year and which I love. Or you can even incorporate it with all the pinks. It's just so gorgeous. Put a little pampas grass, put a little dried palms, put a little this, put a little that. Oh, this is so cute. I even have a business called Dry Floral Design where you can even have your florists purchase or even yourself purchase some of this dry floral. It even can cut down on your floral cost because of the fact that you can make it way in advance and then just kind of sit it on the table. Isn't this gorgeous? I'm just so in love with dried palm right now and just dry flowers, period. I think this is going to be in trend for a time to come. Take it from me, add that dry floral to your wedding. I hope you enjoyed this video and liked some of the great examples that I gave you. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.